Welcome to our custom space where dreams take flight. A party visions coming to.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, Custom Carving and Epoxy UK, and I'm really excited. I'm going to get straight into this because I've had some more happy mail sent from Laura Usher over at Laura's Art Corner, and I'm really excited because I know that she's got an online store in the States, and hopefully there's going to be some of the things that she sells in her store in this box for me to play with resin. But she's also coming on the live in a few weeks' time as well, so I'm excited to see what she sent. So thank you very much, Laura. Wasn't expecting it, and I haven't got a clue what's in it, so that's the most exciting time for me. So I can see lots of polystyrene. So let's just go through it, shall we, and see what we've got. It's something that's wrapped up really well. So I don't know what this is, but let's have a look. I'm guessing a turtle just by the way it looks in the packaging, but let's have a look at what we've got. And again, massive thank you to Laura for sending this out. Wasn't expecting it. And you know what? It's like Christmas Day when you get a parcel arrive that you're not expecting and you don't know what's in it. And she's packaged it really well. It's come all the way from the US. And Reggie's just set off the debubbler, so I'm going to switch that off. He does that a lot. I think he just likes the sound. So anyway, here we go. And I think this has to be a handmade piece by Laura, so I'm very excited to see what it is when I can get it open. So I don't want to damage it though or scratch it. So if she's put the time into making it and sending it to me, I want to see what it is. So that's from Laura. Oh wow, look at that. That is beautiful. We have a turtle inside a turtle. So there's like a little baby turtle in that shell, and then gorgeous that is. So thank you, Laura. That is going to go in my living room on my fireplace. I absolutely love that. So thank you very much. And it's really cool having that baby turtle, I suppose, getting a lift off its mum in the sea. So there we go. That's that one. Reggie, stop setting off the debubbler. No. In your bed, please. Sorry about that, guys. Do not try and film when you have a dog. This is, it says Magic Silver Brush On, I think that is. So I'm guessing this will be some kind of brush on mica powders, which again, I'm excited to play with. If you watch the channel, you know I love playing with things. So Magic Silver, that says. Oh, look at that. Wow. That's a really silvery powder. Love that. So I'm going to be playing with that for sure. And I think there's a few other bits in here. Are they going to be the same or are they different? Let's have a look. And again, she's got her logo on them, which is brilliant. And I think these are all different colors. So I've got Golden Sunset, which has a slight gold shimmer, which is really cool. Sunshine Chrome. I've got Pansy Purple. Loving the names, Laura. I've got Violet Chrome. But these are going to look amazing, I think, in a few pieces. So I can't wait to try them. And I've seen some of Laura's pieces because I recognise the logo on a few other artist channels. So I'm looking Razzle Dazzle, this one. So she's obviously seen me brushing some micas on molds. Blue Night, that looks lovely. It's almost like a faint purpley colour. And I think these are almost iridescent powders with the exception of that silver by the way they look. Laura, you can correct me in comments if I'm wrong. And this one's Emerald Chrome, so it's got a bit of a greenish tinge. So they are lovely. Just going to remove some of the packaging so we've got a little bit of room. And Laura, again, you shouldn't have sent me all this. That you genuinely shouldn't. There was no need. Oh, it looks like I've got some pigment paste as well and some glitter in this one. So let's open these up. And all of these, I believe, are available on Laura's shop. So Laura's Art Corner. If you're in the States, check it out. You know, the dragonfly should kind of give it away. That is a beautiful candy apple blossom. Looks a bit like the red chrome powders you get from Let's Resin, but that's a much bigger tub. So looking forward to that. I think that's more of a pigment paste than a powder. Oh, no, it's not. You know, it could be powder, but you get, look at the size of that. This is another one, which is Neptune Green. Beautiful. Blueberry Sparkle. Look at that. That is a lovely fine glitter. So I'm going to play with that, that's for sure. And again, some of you might find these boring. I love doing them. Look at that for a glitter. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who creates the best resin pieces of all? That's the question. But look at that. Mirror, mirror. Beautiful. I need more workspace now. I'm getting far too many things. Galaxy Blue as well, which is like a little iridescent flake looking at those. Wow. Laura, you've really gone overboard. Genuinely. So, again, do me a favour. Check out her store, people. Have a look at what she's got, you know. There's loads of cool things on her store. Oh, she's actually sent me a little note as well, so I'm going to read it out as well. Here we go. Wanted to thank you again for asking me to participate in one of your lives. Hope I don't disappoint. You won't, Laura. Haha. I'm sending you a little thank you gift. You can either do an unboxing or you can wait until the live, but it's pretty full, so I'll leave that up to you. Mary from Resin Me Up said that I like Chameleon pigments. I do. Please take note, some are chameleons, the bigger jars, and the smaller jars are chrome chameleons. I've also included some magic silver, which of all these can be used for brushing on molds or any surface. Well, I have to get this in the mail in about 5 minutes, so please email me when you receive the package. Laura Usher, Laura's Art Corner. But no, massive thank you. And it's only the second ever Happy Mail I've ever received. So again, really excited. And we're still not done yet, so there's more stuff to play with. And all of these are available on Laura's Art Corner. So if you're in the States, I'm going to put a link down below to the shop. Check it out, you know. They look amazing. Wow. Lorez. I haven't got any Lorez pigment paste, but I have wanted to play with them. So that is amazing. I've got some Angel White Lorez in there. And I have got... I think this is black, Midnight Black as well. So I'm going to play around with some of those in a piece as well. I don't think I'm going to need any pigment paste for about a year at this rate. And we're still not done. There's still more in the box. Can you believe it? And again, massive thank you, Laura. And I can't wait to thank you in person on the live. But in the meantime, if you're watching this, do me a favour, check out her shop. You know, she's a small shop. And I know that it's a small business, and I know that orders have gone down a little bit for her since COVID. But I think these look amazing, and I can't wait to play with them. And I'm all about supporting small businesses as well as the large ones, you know, on this channel. And again, look at them all. I'm lost for words. I genuinely am. So we're going to look at these ones one at a time as well. And I think I need another drawer just for these. So there we go. We're going to have a look. But we have got Fantasy Sandcastle. Look at that for a glitter. Young Love. Beautiful pinky purple. And they look like chameleon glitters to me. Fantasy Midnight Sky, which is like a blacky purple one. That looks gorgeous. Can't wait to try that one. This one is Fantasy Pewter, so it's a bit darker than silver. I really like that. Fantasy Pewter. We've got Pure Love, which is pinky whitey chameleon glitter as well, looking at it. Angel Love, I love that. Imagine that in some angel wings. Beautiful. The silvers and the whites in there. Lucky in Love. Look of the Irish, I'm guessing, with a little bit of green in there. And Baby Love, which again is a bit whiter, I think, but still a beautiful glitter. So I am really looking forward to trying these out. And I think that should be a bit... Oh, no, there's more in this box. It's the box that keeps on giving. So these are some big chameleon pigments. which I'm really looking forward to as well. And what's this in the bag? Some gold fusion. That actually feels like real gold. It's quite heavy. So that's going to be interesting. I think that's going to be great in the center of a bloom. So I'm going to play with that. And then we're going to finally undo these Chameleon pigments as well, what she sent. And by the looks of it, just in the packaging, they look like bigger jars than what I'm used to getting. So that's always a good thing because it means they'll go further. So again, just going through these Chameleons. I think one of them comes slightly loose in the packaging, but it'll be okay. I'll give it a wipe. So this is saffron gold, which again, a beautiful, looks like gold to pink. I'm just hoping one of these hasn't leaked all over because I'm not wearing my gloves. This one, I think it's that saffron gold that's leaked a little bit. This is blue violet, which is like a purpley, bluey pink one. And I'm going to get mica all over my fingers, guys. We've got green frog. You know what? I'm going to have to try that in a frog, I think. I think that will be tonight's experiment. We will see. What else? Wow. Laura, really, you shouldn't have sent me all of this. It's too much. Peach raspberry, which again is like a pinky to gold chameleon. Golden apple, which is purpley to green. So I think that would look cool in a frog as well. And then the last two, purple shimmer. Look at that. Beautiful. And then the final one, we've got blue ocean. That is stunning. It's a bit like the one that I used in that whale project. But again, look at these tubs. They're quite big. You get quite a lot for your money. And I don't know how much they retail for. But as I say, I'm going to put the link in the just down below. Do me a favor and check out Laura's store. Have a look. If there's anything you like, I'm going to be experimenting with these and playing with all of these over the next few projects and seeing what kind of effects we get. But again, she's a small online business. It's always great to support the smaller channels as well as the big ones. And I know that she's got a channel as well, but I love that turtle as well. And the fact that she included a handmade piece. And I think there's even abalone shell in the base of that, looking at it, which is stunning. So thank you very much, Laura. And don't forget, check out Laura's Art Corner. I'm going to be testing these out in some resin projects over the coming weeks. And as always, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to the channel. It makes a massive difference and memberships are open. So join memberships. And again, once again, thank you, Laura. I'm looking forward to meeting you on the live in a few weeks and talking about your business in a bit more detail and what got you into it. Really exciting. But apart from that, just a quick deboxing video, and I'm so grateful. So thank you very much. And these are probably products that I wouldn't have been able to get because I'm in the UK, not in the States. But I know I've got quite a big following now in the States as well. So check her out. Check out the products. I'm sure they're going to be great, but we're going to test them out together on the channel. So appreciate you, Laura. Can't wait to speak to you on the live, and I'll see everybody on the next video.
Welcome to our custom space where dreams take flight. A party visions coming to life.